In essence, the Hansen MIG arm is a multi-purpose equipment system floating above the work area. The Hansen MIG arm covers over 2,000 square feet of production area, thus putting all the welding, grinding, sanding, and vacuuming equipment within easy reach of the technicians. The 360-degree flexibility of the outer jib lets the Hansen MIG arm reach all parts of the work areas and also allows it to fold flush to the wall for easy storage. By locating the large, cumbersome equipment at the wall area of the workspace, we have freed space for the vehicles and for the workers to move around. Technicians get injured by taking shortcuts too often instead of doing it the right way. Toxic fumes get inhaled because they will not take the time to bring all the fume extraction equipment into place. The Hansen MIG arm eliminates this waste and danger. It does this by putting the required equipment and utilities within easy reach of the technicians from overhead rather than from the floor level.
I wouldn't go back to the old way. On the contrary, I would add a few more. And I would eliminate the old way completely.
The Hansen MIG arm also comes in a heavy-duty industrial configuration for use in manufacturing plants. It features higher amperage capability, is longer, and utilizes HSS steel for greater load-bearing capacity. The knuckle can move both horizontally and vertically. The remote-controlled hydraulic vertical knuckle has the capacity of a 7.5-foot rise and fall. The increased size of the industrial MIG arm covers over 3,000 square feet of area.
The Hansen arm is a catalyst for our production. Without that arm, we wouldn't have the efficiency and the production that we have.
The controls are right at hand. With a flick of the switch, the technician can utilize all of the arm's many features. While the controls at the head of the arm can be used as an internal communication system, our ongoing R&D is developing systems which will link directly with your integrated management computer system. The Hansen MIG arm is more than just a delivery arm for welding, although many of our customers say that in itself is worth every cent they paid for the entire system. The Hansen MIG arm also delivers air and electric power to the head, which can then be distributed to the air power tools by two compressed air outlets, one offering line pressure and the other regulated through a built-in regulator and gauge. There are also two 110-volt power receptacles in the head of the Hansen MIG arm to plug in an assortment of electric power tools. The Hansen MIG arm also cleans up in a snap. The second inlet on the arm head can take a single 2-inch vacuum hose for cleaning the floor and workbench area and the customer's vehicle. Grinding and sanding tools are easily accommodated in the Hansen MIG arm by inserting a double Y insert with two 1.25-inch hoses coupled with the air lines for dustless sanding. The Hansen MIG arm is designed from the base up to save your technicians time and consequently you money. The welding wire is delivered to the welding gun from a spool which is mounted on the arm, keeping it dry and clean. The wire is carried in a steel liner inside a plastic hose attached to the inside of one of the support tubes. The wire does not bind when the arm is folded because of the patented crossover technology and the knuckles gear system. Similarly, the optional oil-treated air required for some air-powered equipment is delivered through these steel tubes connected at the knuckle by replaceable rubber hosing, again in the crossover fashion. When we are using softer wires such as aluminum, the reel is mounted directly behind the head of the arm. The structural integrity of the arm is sufficient to support the weight of the normal welding and auto body attachments. The Hansen MIG arm delivers more than just a modern look. It also dramatically improves productivity and profit while eliminating some of the dangers inherent in auto body repair. If you are doing auto body repair the old way, you are literally being robbed of profits every day. Yes, robbed by wasted time, robbed by accidents and downtime, and robbed by inefficiency and damaged equipment. The Hansen MIG arm can be described in a few words, such as clean, efficient, cost-effective, durable, safe, and profitable. The technicians who work with the Hanson MIG arm are a possessive bunch.
We've used them and we weld with them on a daily basis. The vacuum works tremendous. The vacuum is what keeps all the dirt out of the shop, keeps the guys' morales up, and just makes the job go that much smoother.
Yes, the Hanson MIG arm is the ultimate in productivity, safety, and profitability.